Hi everyone, this is Hungry Jetlagged again, and today I'm back with another hotel review in Rome. Today I'm gonna give my honest review about a beautiful hotel which is located in the heart of the city called Forum Hotel. Forum Hotel, as you can see, is directly in the middle of the Roman Forum in front of the Vittoriano, which is the white building with the white stairs. This beautiful hotel is very close to Colosseum and all the main attractions in Rome, and we love to go back there. So what we love about this hotel is the location. I mean, it's 5 minutes walk to Colosseum, the Vittoriano is exactly in front of you, and you're in the middle of Roman Forum, which is one of the most important parts of Rome. So this is the Roman Forum. And as you can see, the hotel we see in front of us, that's the Hotel Forum. This is the lobby of the hotel. So the hotel is not modernized. It's a hotel which is built in the 18th century. So basically, it is mostly good for the history lovers. There is a bar also downstairs, which is exactly by the lobby. And this is the lobby where you can sit and just enjoy some time listening to the piano. And sometimes at night, they are playing the piano. I must say I really like the hotel because of the Persian carpets it has and the real Roman historical style. So here are the tiny little lifts. We get them to go to our room, and as you can see, it's not really renovated that much, but it still has its charm. So I really like this charming little garden on the backside where you can just relax a little bit during the day or drink a tea or coffee. It doesn't really have a view of the Roman Forum, but it does have a charm. So we take the elevator now and go up to the rooftop because the Forum Hotel rooftop is one of the famous one because you have the best view of the Roman Forum. So here is the bar, and the service is really, really amazing and nice. I also like this small little private part of the bar. So cozy, and it's a great place to just relax and enjoy the time. So this is the view of the bar, and here is the breakfast room where you can have your breakfast, and also it is for dinner. And you mostly have a traditional Italian food here, and you have the best views of the town. So we will now walk into the edge so you can see the view. So we are lucky now. We arrived during the sunset, and it's the best time of the day. As you can see, you're really exactly beside Roman Forum, and you really feel like the city, you're living in the city. We wrote also all the facilities and also the price we paid and when we were there. We put them all in the comments, plus the link to the direct booking for the hotel, so check that too. So now we are going back to our room. The rooms are not modernized, at least the one that we had, but they are spacious, which is great for the Italian standards. The European standards are a little bit smaller rooms, but this room was huge and we really loved it. And it's clean. It's not a luxury hotel, but it's definitely very, very good located. Also, the bathroom is completely renovated and great location. As you can see now, you can just walk out and you're in the middle of Roman Forum. You can walk to the Trevi Fountain. It's just 15 minutes from the hotel. You can walk in 5 to 10 minutes to Colosseum. And there are lots of restaurants and beautiful cafes all around you. So in general, we really love to stay in Hotel Forum. We paid $700 per night in September, and I found it a little bit expensive for a hotel which is not really modernized, but the location is definitely worth it. And we definitely go back there because waking up in the middle of a Roman Forum is a once in a lifetime experience. So I definitely recommend this hotel if you're not into very modern hotels. Have fun. Please subscribe to our channel for more hotel reviews, and I would be thankful if you like my video.